Welcome to Formula EOSBM, and today you are making your own aloe vera oil. You will need everything you see here: an aloe vera leaf, a spoon, a knife, a strainer, a towel, a bowl, a pot, paper towels, a mason jar, and olive oil. Let's get right into it. You will also need one blender and a measuring cup that measures at least 1 cup. The aloe vera plant has many different benefits, many different properties, but today we're just going to focus on the hair properties that it has. Of course, it's going to moisturize and hydrate your hair, promote hair growth. It's going to strengthen your hair, reduce dandruff, protect it from a lot of different environmental damages. So let's get right into making your own aloe vera oil. As you see, I'm no stranger to oils, but I wanted to try my own and I want you to try your own. So let's get right into it. First step, we're going to wash our aloe. We're going to rinse. We're going to cut this end off as well. You need to rinse this off because the sap from the aloe can cause an irritant to the skin. So the more sensitive your skin is, the longer you need to let it soak. So if you are very sensitive, you might want to have it overnight, but at average, go ahead and let it soak for an hour. So as you can see, I cut the ends off. So we're going to let this sit, like I said, for a half an hour to an hour until you see all the yellow sap come out of the plant leaf. All right, let's move on. So for our next step, we will be cutting off the sharp edges of our aloe leaf. We will be drying our aloe leaf, and we will be cutting or dicing into small pieces and adding to the bowl. Okay, let's go ahead and dry off our leaf. I didn't have that much sap on mine. I didn't have that much. Hopefully I still did it right. So let's go ahead and trim off the top. And we're going to cut off all the sharp edges here. Okay, and we are going to cut into pieces. Okay, then we're going to dice these pieces to make them smaller. If it's finely chopped, it'll break down easier into oil. Yes, I'm going to leave the skin on and I'm going to leave the gel in. Don't talk about my cutting skills. The aloe is a little different than cutting cucumbers, okay? And after I cut it all, I'll separate the pieces a little bit better. Here I'm just separating them a little bit better. Okay, moving on. Looks good. Then add your aloe to your blender. Okay, let's go ahead and blend. Smooth consistency. So here's your consistency, your blended aloe vera. Now go ahead and pour your one cup of olive oil. Now you can use whatever kind of oil you want: avocado oil, coconut oil, argan oil, whatever kind of oil is your favorite, and go ahead and add in your aloe. Now make sure your stove is on low. You do not, I repeat, you do not want to burn, and you're going to stir every every 5 minutes or so, but just watch it. Okay, we are about 30 minutes in. Our oil and aloe vera is fusing, but we still have to have a little bit more time, so just leave it be. So that's that. It's been about an hour, actually like an hour 15, because I did mine a little bit longer. So now we're going to turn the eye off, remove this from the heat, let cool, move on to our next step. And just like that, we are at our final steps. We have let our oil cool a bit. So we have we're using a mason jar. You can use whatever kind of jar you would like to use. Just make sure it has a seal. And our strainer. So go ahead and place your strainer. pour your oil in. Oh no, I'm making a mess. I'm wasting my oil all on the counter. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. It looked like it was small enough, but you get the point. We have some in there. Oh Lord. Now, after you strain this, now if you have a cheesecloth, you can run this through again just to make sure you don't have any extra plant waste or anything in here. But we're going to clean that mess up. But in the meantime, look at what's going on. Here is our oil. And of course, put it on your hair. You could use it on your hands, on your skin. Okay, let me clean my mess up. Okay guys, you have made your very own aloe vera oil. I made about 4 ounces. I wasted about 5 milliliters, but that's okay. So I made about 4 ounces here, and this was with 1 leaf and a half a cup of oil. Again, you can use whatever kind of oil you like, whatever kind of oil you use, coconut oil. I might do this again and use coconut oil. If you want your oil to be a little bit more potent, go ahead and add 2 or 3 leaves to 1 cup of oil. But since this was my first time trying this, I wanted to not make it too strong because I wasn't sure of how you know, my head or my daughter's hair was going to respond to it. So there you have it, your very own aloe vera oil. I enjoyed making this aloe vera oil with you today. That has been Formula EOSBM. Remember, it's a lifestyle. They're always watching, so give them something good to look at, baby. Can't wait to go try my oil out. Ew.